Now we're taking this out in an Altima, because you already know that. That's your car, and the door panel's over there. That's an Altima. Just paid for the mats. That's the door panel, which we're taking off. So let's start with trapdoor 1, and looks like trapdoor 2. Let's get them out. Not hard. Top first. This slides downward into it on a downward angle. 10 mil, 10 mil. Let's get them out. Look, it even tells me inside the door it's an Altima. That's awesome. So straight out, straight out. I always go from the corner. So if you grab from the corner and pull out towards you, it'll all pull out. It all clips. So let's get this guy unplugged. And there are 2 different ones, so you can't mess this up. And that should be it. But with the harness, let's get this door thing. I want to see if this pops up or in. So I flipped the door completely upside down just to see if I can do this, which makes it so much easier. You got a clip here, clip, and this looks like a safety clip of some sort. Let's play with this and get this off and shut the car off. So it's a flimsy looking thing. You sort of have to just push it in. I don't know why it's supposed to lock into place. It's a weird looking clip. It doesn't move. It does look like it goes up and down though. I don't know. It popped right out though. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And there you go. There's your door panel. Let's get the rest of it out of our way. And there she goes. And next is that wonderful speaker. Let's get this guy out of our way and see if he is a candidate to my other speaker bracket. And with the 10 mil already loaded, let's get this thing out and see how flimsy the speaker is. Oh yeah, just as I suspected. Complete garbage. So we do have lining points though, so that's cool. We have that one, and they line up in the holes in the door, but I'm only assuming you're not putting these back in because those are complete trash. So I'll put a link to everything I would suggest, because again, you can use this as a trim, but it's typical Nissan. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.